Grace alone.
Grace alone.
It's gonna go there.
Your hammer ain't gonna work without some nails.
Yep.
Here.
Nail. There's one nail. Second nail. There.
Alright, hammer that one up on there. And the last one, we do all of that for what? What do we do it for? Give us a sneak peek. Glor. There it is.
Glory to God alone.
Yep.
Did we already get tape on here?
Yep. Let me nail them on up there. Good job. Good job.
Got the candle.
You got the candle? Okay, because we gotta go back.